So, with all your popular paid streaming apps, looks like they're either putting up your price or adding adverts while you still pay. While they're doing that, we thought, let's take a look at a really good free streaming app. 100% free, tons of movies, tons of TV shows, over nearly 200 live channels as well. Plus, it's already on your Fire Stick, you can install it directly, no side loading, no jailbreaking, anything like that. I'm going to take a look at it. Okay, before we do that though, if you're brand new here, do remember to hit that subscribe button. Check out the channel. We've got all your settings. We've got, if anyone's wondering what I was talking about with Amazon Prime, there's a video here as well for it. I can link that underneath for you as well. We've got all your streaming apps. We've got your movies, your TV shows, your sport. Come find the videos. You'll find it all here. And it'll be very beneficial if you could hit that subscribe button. So we see if we can get to that 600,000 mark. Okay. So let's have a look at this app. We have a nice movie and TV show section with tons of videos and films in them, okay? They're huge selection. These are just popular ones. And you can scroll through, a bit of Scrooge. We've got some Arnie stuff in here. Based on a true story, Crime Time, Cheap Thrills. That was movies and TV shows. We've also got live TV as well. On this, if you wanted to, you could go into categories if that makes it easier for you. So if you have a specific category you like, for instance, if you liked maybe some comedy films, and you'll find them in there as well. A bit of Austin Powers, The Girl Next Door, What Happens in Vegas, Rat Race, all comedy films here. Bedazzled, all in here, and all free. To watch them, it's very simple. You can literally just click on play. So you click play, and then push play. Obviously agree to the content, and your movie will start for you, and it will load up there. Obviously pixelated it out. You do get an advert at the beginning, but it is a free one, okay? So it is a free application, so you do get an advert at the beginning, and that's it. So that's not too bad. I don't mind adverts if it's free. Okay, it gives you all the information about it, and reviews, and other similar films to watch. Fairly simple, fairly straightforward. You've got a live TV section, where you can go down, and you've got programs playing constantly. And you can go through, obviously I pixelated the top corner out again for you there. We've got Fear Factor, there's loads of loads. We can go across the categories at the top. Featured, hit TV, reality, news. So if you want all your news channels, we all get slightly different. Obviously I'm here in the UK, and others get others. There's the sports channels, movies, kids TV, all that sort of stuff. Brilliant. Let me just show you how to find this one then. So to find this application, many of you may have used it in the past. It's known as Plex. You can also put your own media through it on a Plex server. And to find it, go into your magnifying glass. You don't need to do anything special. Just type Plex. Plex, and there it is. You can install it, and I'm pretty sure it's available in the majority of countries around the world. Okay, stream free movies and TV shows, plus 250 plus channels of live TV instantly without a subscription. Nice and easy. Obviously, install it, get it open. There's a new Discover off. They knew last year they released a Discovery section as well, which is actually quite good. So you can actually search other films and it'll tell you what apps it's in. So if you select your streaming services, like iPlayer. Trying to think of ones you use. Channel 4, Discovery. Obviously, everyone has different apps, but I'm just putting through what I've got. Netflix. And click Done. Then you continue through. You can then search in your Discovery section what you want to look for, okay? So it's very useful. And you can search and it'll tell you what app it's in if it's not on Plex itself. Sound good? Brilliant. So hopefully that was a nice, simple one for you. Quickly before we leave, if you want to use your Plex, obviously it is worth using a VPN online as well to stay safe. So we have got linked a great price on IPVanish VPN linked underneath for you as well. Currently at $2.99 when I'm making this video. The link underneath will always be good. VPNs help you log in with different servers. So if you're not used to an American Plex and you've moved country or you're on holiday, you can still log in with the same country on your server. It's also great for your security. If you want to learn more about a VPN, I'll link that underneath. We are partnered with them, so we are getting a small commission. Not millions, it's only $2.99 a month for you guys. So if you want a VPN, I have mine on my Fire Stick. I have one here, IPVanish VPN. Easily installed as well, straight from the store, but you just sign up via the link below. Brilliant. And again, if you want any other videos, if there's something I haven't done, comment underneath if there's a video you're after, or check out the channel because we have tons and tons and tons of videos, including the popular ones, which are over like 2 million views, which is about setting up Firesticks and even some Roku stuff up there, that sort of stuff. Hopefully you enjoyed that one, hopefully you enjoy the application, and I'll see you on the next one.